Since the pandemic, we know more and more companies are turning to virtual meetings and video conferencing as a way to communicate with their staff and to sell their products and services. Let me share with you some of the advantages and disadvantages of remote presentations. Number one, you want to keep your audience engaged. Now, Reactiv SUITE has created a tool to be able to keep your audience more engaged. What is the future of remote meetings? Research has shown that 75% of engagement is increased when you're using video. Anytime your audience feels that they are in person with you and they can see video, they feel more connected and more engaged. Now, what are some of the challenges with remote meetings? In this example, I've pulled up my presentation deck, and now I've become the tiny little box. Oftentimes, you don't know who's presenting. People can fall into Zoom fatigue. There's something called social loafing. When people feel like they're part of this big group, they're kind of hiding, they lose engagement, and they lose interest. So that is a big challenge when it comes to remote meetings. So what can we do about that as a business? We want to create as much of an in-person experience as possible. When you're able to do this through the use of video, it builds trust. You increase sales. It improves client and customer retention, and also it differentiates you. Now, we have tested 70,000 hours of presentation time over 2,000 beta users of Reactiv SUITE. I'm using it right now, and what we've noticed is a 250% increase in engagement using Reactiv. So if you're interested in the future of remote meetings and want to learn more about Reactiv, head on over to reactiv.com.